We've been talking about beaches and boats, and today we're going to be making a lighthouse because in order to find its way home, boats need to have a lighthouse to guide the way to shore. So I started out with a piece of cardstock that was 12 by 14. And then I cut 3 inches on a diagonal to the corner from each side to get this shape. And then I painted some diagonal stripes. I used paint. You can use crayon or marker or whatever you might have. I also have a strip of cardstock with some black lines for windows. I have windows that I also cut out of shiny silver paper, or you could use aluminum foil. I have a door that I cut, and I'm using the top of a plastic cup, which I cut the bottom off for the top of our lighthouse. And I also have some cardstock here that we're going to attach it to. And when I was outside, I collected some rocks and shells that I can use for decorating the bottom of our lighthouse. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with our lighthouse, and I'm going to roll it into a cylinder shape. And I'm going to staple both ends. Now I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to make some small, maybe 1/2 inch little cuts along the bottom of our lighthouse. And then I'm going to fold these in for our base, for our lighthouse to stand. As you can see, I'm bending all of these in. And now it makes a nice base for it to stand, which we can glue to our cardstock. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the door that I have already made. And I'm going to staple that on. And then I'm going to glue on the shiny pieces of silver that I have for the windows. This shiny paper has a nice smooth feel to it also. And then we're going to take our windows and add them across the top here. The top to my cup is going to be the top of our lighthouse, and then I'm going to decorate the bottom with some of these rocks and shells that I found. And we can take the box here, whoops, and we can glue our little tabs to the bottom. And you have a pretty decoration for your home.